It's a glorious Sunday afternoon here in San Jose, and I'm here this week at NVIDIA GTC. I'm back again this year as a guest of NVIDIA EMEA via the NVIDIA Creators Program. Now, if last year is anything to go by, it's going to be one hectic, busy, fun, and insightful week. Now, as you can imagine, there's going to be a lot of announcements, new innovations, new technologies, new concepts, new partnerships, and of course, plenty of new shiny toys. Now, personally, as per usual, I'll be focusing on all things around the energy industry and industrial related technologies and topics. So industrial AI, industrial metaverse, robotics, especially humanoids. Agentic AI is going to be a huge thing. Now, I met quite a few humanoids last year, and I met Nilo earlier today. So let's see how many other humanoids I'll make friends with this week. So what are the big themes we're likely to see? Well, obviously we get updates on NVIDIA's roadmap. And if you've seen Jensen's recent blog post on the 5-layer cake model of AI infrastructure, that's got to be a topic here. I'm also curious to see what we hear around Inference, especially at the edge with Grok. Now that's G-R-O-Q. I'm expecting a lot of discussions around that, and also on physical AI. You know, there's going to be a lot of topics around open models. As I said, Agentic AI will definitely be top theme here. And in the GTC park, we can all go build our own open claw. Now, if you'll have seen some of the pictures, you'll have the red lobster. I wonder for St. Patrick's Day here on Tuesday, will we have some green lobsters? We never know. Anyway, I'm also expecting a lot of conversations around AI sovereignty. That's a big topic, especially in Europe. And of course, everything to do with the business models around AI, right? The technology is one thing, but you gotta make money. Now, I'll also be keeping an eye out for the shiny toys and stuff that ooh, look at this, I never thought of that before. So I'll certainly be keeping an eye out for all the cool stuff and what surprises will show off. Now, it all kicks off tomorrow morning, that's Tuesday, with Jensen's keynote here at 11 o'clock local time. That keynote will be broadcast live across all of NVIDIA's social channels, and you can tune into that from anywhere on the globe. And during the week, while not all the sessions that are here will be live broadcast via their NVIDIA Virtual, there's about 700 different sessions that are available online. So if you're not here in San Jose, you can still fill out your days with a lot of content. And there's a full EMEA virtual program that's running at European time as well. So that's middle of the night over here, but middle of the day in Europe. So there is a lot going on. Now, I'll put some of the relevant links before, and I'll also tag some of the other creators that are here. I met a bunch of them here last year. There's some great people. We all have different interests and different things, but I'll link a couple before. Many folks are back this year. There's a whole lot of new folks as well. So the Creators Program that NVIDIA put on is very well worthwhile. Anyway, so keep track of those and folks on LinkedIn and on the other channels. So, yes, it's going to be a hectic couple of days. I'm looking forward to it. Let the chaos begin.